Hi everyone, Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, and today I want to talk to you about what you should expect when you take your very first driving lesson. Now, for the majority of people, that will be that they have never driven before, so it is important when you turn up on your first lesson that you take your provisional license with you so that your instructor can see it. On that first lesson, it's more than likely that they will talk you through the controls of the car, explaining what each of the pedals does, the gear stick, handbrake, steering controls, etc. Once you have got a full understanding of the controls of the car, the instructor will then start to talk to you about how to move away safely. Included in that is checking around, doing your observations and blind spots. Now, there is no set routine as to what the instructor has to teach and in what order they teach it, and it will depend on how long your first lesson is. Should you only have a 1 hour lesson, then talking through the controls and maybe doing a little bit of starting and stopping would be quite a lot to fit in. Should you have 2 hours, you may start doing some left turns, either emerging from junction or approaching give-way lines. And if you're really advanced and picking it up very quickly, you may even get on to doing some right turns if you have a 2 hour lesson. If when you take your driving lessons you've already took some lessons before or done some driving before, then the instructor will do some refresher lessons with you basically and assess you on that first lesson to see where you are and what ability level you are currently at. If you found that information useful, then please like, comment or share. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel where you'll find more helpful videos to help you pass your driving tests. Or you can join our online theory course by visiting www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.